fresh chicken breast. I'm going to jerk. So I'm just going to go ahead and get it all seasoned up. And I'm going to start with some all-purpose seasoning. Add a little thyme. I'm just putting on all my dry seasoning. A dash of Dover sauce, paprika, garlic powder, some large seasoned salt. You don't want to use too much of this because you have salt in the rest of the seasoning. I had some dry jerk, real spicy jerk seasoning. So I'm adding the dry jerk because I'm gonna marinate this in my my special blend of jerk seasoning that I just blended up. I just made my own jerk seasoning. So just mix it all up. Bag is all ready, and this is gonna go in the fridge and marinate overnight. Yeah, got my jerk chicken. This jerk it's been sit marinated in my homemade jerk sauce for a few days. Yeah, that's some flavor chips. Have to smoke it. These babies are looking good. Yeah. Looking good.